Man, that nigga Pastor Joe over there, that nigga watch cars. That nigga got his own place. That nigga Pity. Man, that nigga do everything, man. Hey, Pastor Joe, man, what's up, boy? What you doing, boy?
What's happening? You know I gotta get this money, bro.
Yeah, you gotta get this money, man. That nigga do everything. You see Pastor Joe out there, that nigga do everything,
Boy,
man.
this is United States, boy. You gotta do everything. If
That's
you
how
don't
it
work,
is.
you don't eat.
You gotta grind.
Pe jen ga sok chita la an anglais, they do shit an a creole, yo fe kaka. Rete lap tan se fam ki pou kipe yo. A di nou Haiti, mesi. E travay liye, non,
Yeah. Kompos artist yo,
Kompos artist vin Amerika fe kaka. E se nou konen mwen men paste Diyo l'homme fort, kem papa blessi mwen. Get man.
And that nigga got another car too in there. You can see it. You feel me? He gonna put that thing on 24 too.
Hey, don't forget to tell him to call me when y'all want your whims done. You know, petit jet nou pou nou paste Diyo car wash.
Everything, man.